got time to worry about Falcon's Fury. Holy shit. What's with the slow descent? What's with the... Oh! Shit, Falcon! You ready to go? Okay. Like freedom flyers. Oh, so far so good. We are moving up a little faster than I would like, but it is what it is. Ooh, I smell rain. Okay, that's kind of steep looking. I thought you said it wasn't steep. Okay, we're good. Oh my God! Hey! Slow down! This is not a kid's ride. Oh, okay, we're good. We're cool. Whoa! Whoa! What in the twist? Okay. Oh! Yo! Why they call it Phoenix? Better come back to life after this. Oh my God! Oh, whoa! Why is there a hole here? Oh! Oh, I'm being pushed off. Oh my God! Okay. Yeah. You liked it, huh? I was a little faster than I thought it was going to be. I was a little faster than I expected. Oh my God. It's over. All right, Cobra's curse. Here we go. So we're on Cobra's curse and we're heading up. No, you can yell. You can yell. Don't worry about it.
Oh, we're stopping.
Girl, we going up. We going up. We going up. Girl, this is a roller coaster. Did they lie to you?
Yeah, they like it.
Woo! Oh no! No! Ah! Oh my God! Oh my God! No! This is not what I signed up for. Okay. Okay. Oh, was that a giraffe? No! Oh! Oh! Okay. Well, that was fun. Why are we turning? Why are we turning? Oh my God! Why? Oh, we're about to go backwards. We're about to go backwards! Yeah, we're backwards! Oh, I'm gonna hurt. Yup. I can't even. Oh, well, we go forward now. Oh no, we're going up to fall. We're going. Girl, we go. What? Girl, we about to fall backwards. Oh my God! Put me back on Cheetah! Put me back on Cheetah! Oh my God! No! This is not for me. Oh, please be over. No, of course it's not. Oh, more like Cobra's yak. Cobra's yak. Oh my God! Oh, nope. I'm not doing that again.
Tears just fell on my eyes. I'm not crying, but tears just fell on my eyes. Okay? I'm not crying.
Yo, how's everybody doing? Welcome to Cheetah Hunt, people. It's gonna be a calm ride. I remember it being chill, right? Oh my God! Oh! Oh, you good?
Yeah, you
okay.
good?
I don't know. Ah! Okay. Oh my God! Hey, stop it! Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, we're good. We're good?
Yeah.
Okay. have fun. Oh my God, this is already a regret. This is already a regret. I don't think I've ever puckered so much in my life. Oh! Oh my God! Oh, I'm regretting life right now. Oh my God! Please tell me that's it. Please tell me that's it! Oh! I'm so done. I'm ready. I'm ready to be done. Oh shit! No. I'm quiet because my eyes are closed. Oh, this is too much. This is too much. All right, Cobra. Thank you. Thank you. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my God. No. This is too much for me. Oh my God. Oh, please just get me out. Please just get me out. This was a mistake. My stomach is telling me it was a mistake.
I felt like both my ears tapped at the same time.
I was trying to keep my food in the whole time.
Oh my God.
Oh shit, here we go. Here we freaking go. Oh! Yeah, I've done this roller coaster one time. And I didn't like it. Like a KFC over there. I might get some KFC after, I don't know. That's a lot of rattling. Ratchet and clank ride. Alright, here we go. Fine. Yeah, this is fine. This is light work. This is light work, right? This is not light work! Oh my God! No! Oh, regrets are definitely made! No! Okay, I think we're good. Not at all. There is a spinneroni macaroni. Okay. Oh. Woo! Oh, no. I'm digging my own grave apparently. Oh, okay. Well, that was fun, right? That was good. Of course it's not over. Why? Oh, this is deep. What is this? The Cosmo Bell? Oh, and of course it's a double barrel roll. Oh, you know what? Just bury me right here. Oh, this has to be it, right? Okay, this has to be. Nope, nope, not. We're burying me again. No! Oh, and a twist. You know what? I'm dead already. Might as well just call me a zombie. Oh. Yo! Oye, y'all liked it? That was terrible. That was terrible. I can honestly say it's unnecessarily long.
Yeah, my brother's 11, but he's starting to look older. Let's just keep talking so we don't have to see anything.
Welcome to Falcon Fury.
I feel like at 12,
I don't know why I got on this ride.
Shit, I told you to
It's not a roller coaster, but here we are. Ignore me, I'm just telling a story.
Oh no, you're good. You go for it. I go to Magnolia High School. I'm in Texas. I live in Houston, Texas. Really?
This is really hot.
Yeah, my aunt, she lives here with my little cousin. So we're here.
We got
I'm
Phoenix
here with
right
them
down
for the
there.
weekend. Like I
You can
literally
also
flew in
see
last night.
Serengeti
And I'm flying out
and the rest of Tampa.
And I'm flying out tomorrow, like at like.
And my
6.
phone's in my pocket, so I'm a little panicked about that.
Okay. Oh, that's here, right? That's like
Man,
right
we
there.
are really hot.
You can probably see it from this high. Yeah.
And it's really cold up here apparently. Okay, we've reached the apex.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Yep, I see it.
I despise this part.
Oh wait, I actually like this. This is cool. No, I don't.
No, this is terrifying. There's nothing cool about this. Oh boy,
Holy
Mom spaghetti.
motherfuck.
And we're still going up because of course we are.
We are?
Yep. Okay, stop. Ah, okay. Oh.
Oh my god.
Never again. Everybody good?
It's not acceptable.
Give me like a little girl. Oh my god. Oh, it's the stairway to heaven. It's the stairway to heaven. Oh, shiitake mushrooms. Oh my god, this is. Oh, we're not, okay, we're going back down. Fantastic. Why aren't you screaming? Oh, what in the slow heck in heaven fall was that? Oh, what? Oh, so dramatic. Oh my god.
Oh, this one. Wow.
This is what a stock feels like in the dryer. Oh, are we done?
That's it.
Oh, thank God. Oh, they're not gonna take any more of that. You good?
Oh, yeah.
I told you you had this.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't. Alrighty, y'all. Welcome to Pumba. Never done this one. Got some cool people with me.
Going on.
They're very calm. Because every time I come here, it's closed. It was closed, but they fixed it now.
Yeah, they finally opened.
Please ignore my hands. I'm securing the camera for you guys. Ooh, it's nice and cold up here too.
Beautiful day.
It was down for inclement weather, but what inclement weather? It's bright.
Oh.
I don't know what to expect, guys. I'm mortified. I hope everybody's ready. Oh, okay. So it's giving Kraken right now. It's giving a little bit of Kraken. Okay. No! Let's go! Oh, no, this is not Kraken. What is this? Oh, what is the turnpike? What is this? Oh, what kind of roundabout? What is this, the suburbs? Oh my God! Oh, no! Is that Chinese? No! Oh my God, no, that was terrible. Oh my God, no, it's worse. What is left over? Oh! Okay. I think we're done. Oh! The world's smallest barrel roll! Okay, that's gotta be it, right? What's this? Oh, okay. Yo, that was terrifying. You boys good?
Oh, we good.
I'm not good. I'm not good. And I think like lint landed in my mouth. Yo, this shit's giving me a headache. See you guys next time. Alrighty guys, welcome to SheiKra. Again. We're in the front now. We got this cool dude next to me. You ready to... Unfortunately, I might be a little loud. That is a big track. I always forget how big this track is.
Oh yeah.
Supersized.
Hey, that supersized me.
How big this track is. Good grief. It's unnecessary.
Right?
That's a long way up. Oh my God. And the ratchet and clanks are really loud. Woo! Oh man, I can see the drop from here. I'm getting a little nervous. Oh, that sun is bright.
Oh yeah.
That sun is bright.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Here we go.
Oh, hey, SheiKra. Woo, okay. Talk about slamming the brakes in the wrong place. Oh, you know what? A second thought. You know what? Let's go back to Cat in the Hat.
Three.
They can jump all the way! Oh my God! You know what? You know what? I'm good. I am so good. Oh, that was fun. Time to get up. Oh, thank God. That was wild, bro. That was a wild ride. I give that a 10 out of 10.
No, we still got one more.
Oh, what do you mean?
yeah.
We're not even a break! Woo! Woo! I mean, no woo! Get me off! Oh, no, there's no water! Oh! Talk about G-forces. Oh! 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 And we're done. Oh, okay.
Oh, shit. Okay.
Gotta love that super break, huh? That was fun. Let's not do that again. You alright, bro?
Oh, yeah.
He's good. I'm not. Get me off. Alrighty, my people. Welcome to Iron Gwazi front row yet again. Why? Because I hate myself. Honestly. Oh my God. Yo, what was that? What was that? Shiitake mushrooms. The weed is still there. Shiitake mushrooms. What about the wasp? We still have wasps going up there. Man, oh man, this shit is high, son. Higher than the sky, baby. You know, I already did this, so I don't know why the hell I came on this again. Oh, wasp, I see wasp. I see wasp. They do come free with iron wasp. Oh, another wasp. Alright, so this is a no longer a cursing run. Oh, there's Falcon's Fury. I ain't got time to worry about Falcon's Fury. Holy shit. What's with the slow descent? What's with the... Oh! Shit, fucking! Oh! Whoa, whoa! Why you trying to throw me off the... Oh! Oh my God! Why do I do this? Oh! Oh, okay, we good? Oh, okay. Okay. I started. Now I see how fast I'm missing. No, this is not what I signed up for. Oh, no, don't throw me off this. I got Bill. Hey. Oh, Spider-Man walk wrong. Oh, the Avengers spin. Oh, there goes my stomach. Oh, shit. I just hurt myself. Oh, I guess I had no choice. Oh, my thighs. What is this, Pilates? Oh, my thighs. What was that, Pilates?